Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're gonna learn about variable. So what is a variable? Well, the textbook definition of a variable goes like this. In computer programming, a variable or a scalar is a storage address paired with an associated symbolic name which contains some known or unknown quantity of information referred to as a value. And this is the standard, or you may textbook definition of variable. Well, I know it may sound very confusing, so I'm gonna break this down and simplify it. So a variable, in simplistic term, a variable is a container where we put things, and when we need it we can pull it out and use it accordingly. Okay, so imagine your wallet being a variable. We store money in our wallet, and when we need it we bring it out from the wallet and use it accordingly. So I don't want to make things complicated, so this is the easiest definition of variable. So defining or declaring variable in Python is very simple. So all you have to do is to type the name of the variable. For an example, if I want to create a variable called name equals single quote, and I can simply now pass down a string value and I am done. If you are coming to Python from another programming language like PHP, then you know that we need to append a $sign before the variable if you want to declare a variable. But in Python you don't have to do anything like that. There is no $sign, there is no semicolon, no nothing like that. It's very simple and very clean, very readable, and that's the beauty of Python. It's more readable, it's more like plain English, and this is what I love about Python. So this is how we declare variable, and to print the value of this variable we use a built-in function called print, and we simply pass the name of our variable and we are done with that. Now we can click over here in this green play button, or we can right click and select run test, and we should be able to see our string value on our code runner. Also, if you want to see the string value on our terminal, we could do that as well. All I have to do is to type the file name and hit enter, and we're gonna have our string value available for us. So this is how you declare variable in Python. Very easy. I hope this has been informative and you've learned some valuable lessons. See you in the next lecture. Thanks, bye.